Learn how to draw a snail. Hi, I'm Not Orphan Paperflow Designs, and I love to teach how to make digital drawings. I use Procreate, Illustrate, and Inkscape. In this tutorial, it'll only take a couple of minutes, and I use Procreate to draw this really cute cartoon snail. Here I'm using one of the sketching pencils to make a spiral shape. After I make the spiral, then I'll draw the front of the snail, just using like a little curvy line to make a large slope going up and then coming back down. Now I'll draw the back of the snail just using one line going away from it, coming to a point, and then a line coming back to the shell. After that, I'll add the eyes, and then I'll give him a little mouth. And at this point, we've finished the outline and I'm ready to color him. I'll pick color from the color wheel, tap it, and then I will just drag that color down to a section of the snail, and you'll see it'll just fill it up with that color. I'll keep choosing the colors until I'm all done coloring the snail. If you like this tutorial, you can get a printable version of the instructions and an easy to follow template on the blog post.